Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay y'all, here's a picture of a zero gravity chair that Amber got because she's so tired of laying on her stomach only and she can't sit on her bottom. She's not supposed to apply any pressure. So she got this zero gravity chair from Amazon. She cut a hole in it. See? She used a steak knife and cut a hole in it. Here's the fabric that came out of it. Then she used, let me show you this foam. It just came long enough for her to do this. She cut up part of this, what you call this foam? The foam that goes inside the faja. She had extra.
The lipo foam?
Lipo foam. And she put it here where she had cut it. She put it here at the back. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. There you go. And then use some Gorilla tape to tape it in place. See, y'all see that? There it is, Gorilla tape. So, now she's going to throw a comforter or a blanket or something over that so she can finally sleep laying down. And she's tried it out, and this chair goes way back. And she doesn't even have trouble getting up out of it now. She practiced. See that? Very nice. I ain't showing you, Walter. Okay. I think I'm through. And I'll leave a link for this chair in the description box. Can I show you? No. Okay, never mind. Okay, I failed to mention that it comes with a lumbar pillow, or either you can make it go up to behind your neck, but she needs it in her back. And it comes with a little cup holder tray. There it is. She got room for her cup, cell phone, iPad, whatever. And she can recline with this table attached. So I think this thing is very nice. I think I want one. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up and leave a comment. Bye.